why networking needed in the cloud. You can see in the picture there are clients. These clients are our machines, so it can be your computer, laptop, mobile, anything which you going to use to access your application. There are some servers you can see. These are the servers where our application and services are running, and those are hosted in the cloud in this scenario. So the thing is, networking is kind of a media to access these application from our client machines. Okay, so there are something called cloud networking come into picture, which help us to provide this connectivity. So there might be possible this machine is in your organization, it might be possible it is in cloud itself, or it might be possible that this machine is in your home. So there are different kind of scenarios through which we access this application which is hosted here, or the services which is hosted in this cloud server. We are accessing from these kind of machines, so these can be anything. Okay, so there are certain connectivity which we require. You can see we require one connectivity from here to here, we have required from here to here, and there are some components. Those components are part of our AWS network. Okay, so we will talk about these components. So just understand, cloud network is required to connect from your client machine to the application or services which is running on the cloud. That's why we need networking.